Namaste friends, welcome to the Hindi University. In this class we will be talking about how to ask time in Hindi. The prerequisite for this class is like at least you should know how to say numbers in Hindi, at least from 1 to 12. For example, 1 is ek, 2 is do, okay, 3 is teen, 4 is char, and so on. I mean, numbers you can find online also, so I'm not gonna go into the detail. I'll go more in terms of like how to create, how to say time in Hindi. Okay. Case one is when you say when the time is like, let's say 3 o'clock or 4 or 5. Okay, simply this is simple case. You will say 3 बजे हैं. It's 3 o'clock. Teen is like teen in English. Okay, it sounds like that. 3 बजे हैं. 4 is like 4 बजे हैं. Okay, 5 is 5 बजे हैं. Okay, 3 बजे हैं, 4 बजे हैं, 5 बजे हैं. Similarly, if I ask you like what is 8 o'clock, you'll say 8 is 8 बजे हैं. Okay, this is like the simplest form, case one. Right? Let's do the next one. Case two. Case two is what about like 3:15? What if the time is 5:15 and 8:15? Okay, in this case in Hindi it would be for 15. There is a word for Hindi called sawa. सवा तीन बजे हैं. ओके, सवा SAVA सवा. ओके, सवा 4 बजे हैं. ओके, 5:15 is सवा 5 बजे हैं. And 8:15, this is like a quiz for you, it would be सवा 8 बजे हैं. सवा 3, सवा 4, सवा 5 and सवा 8. Okay, within the same case, you can have what if it's basically 3:30, 4:30, 5:30 and 8:30. Okay, for 30 the word is साढ़े. साढ़े 3 बजे हैं. Okay, 4:30 is साढ़े 4 बजे हैं. 5:30 साढ़े 5 बजे हैं. 4:30 बजे हैं, 5:30 हैं. Okay, and 8:30 is साढ़े 8:30 हैं. Right? The last one in this case is quarter to, like any time, like for example quarter to 4, quarter to 5. Okay, so let's cover that. The next one is 45, so it's 3:45, 4:45, 5:45 and 8:45. So this one is a little tricky because it's, even in English you say quarter to 4. Okay, so here it will change to पौने 4. So it's next one, पौने 4 बजे हैं. Okay, this one is पौने PAUNE, पौने 5 बजे हैं. ओके, पौने 6 बजे है, एंड दिस वन इज पौने 9 बजे है. Okay, that's our case 2. Okay, here when you have 3:15, 3:30 and 3:45, this one is sawa 3. Okay, this one is साढ़े 3 and this one is पौने 4. Okay, but what if is 3:23 or let's say 3:53? How do you say those timings in Hindi? Okay, so one thing I would expect you to know is like the numbers. Okay, so if you can look up online what do you say these numericals in Hindi, then you know it'll be fine. So that's our still case 2. Okay, so let's say if it is 3:13 or let's say 3:40. Okay, so is 3 बज कर 13 is 13 minute. It's minute only in Hindi. Okay, this one is 3 बजकर 40. 40 is 40. Okay, so the key thing is to remember here is बजकर, 3 बजकर या 3 बज के is also fine. So it's either बज कर or बज के. Alright, I hope this is clear. Okay, the next case you have with time is like you can add postpositions with the time. Okay, and then it changes form. For example, if I say 3 o'clock, it's 3 baje, right? But let's say you're working on something, okay, and you want to say I'm working from 5 o'clock, from 3 o'clock. Okay, so from 3 a.m. or let's say from 3 p.m. In Hindi it would be 3 baje se. If you remember, we did this postposition. Say is from 3 baje se. Okay, since when you're waiting, I'm waiting since like 3 o'clock. 3 baje se. Okay, 4 baje se. Okay, similarly like पौने 4:45, पौने 5 बजे से, that we've been waiting here like since 4:45 p.m. Okay, so that's say. Okay, 3 बजे से. Okay, the next one is tak. So tak is like till. So you're working on something and somebody is asking you like till what time you gonna you gonna work. So it's like मैं 8 बजे तक, I'll work till 8. 9 बजे तक, till 9. 10 बजे तक, till 10. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's do, what if we combine both of them? Okay, so for example, if somebody is asking you your working hours, okay, from what time till when do you work? So मैं 9 बजे से 5 बजे तक काम करता हूँ. I work from 9 to till 5. 9 बजे से 5 बजे तक. Okay, for example, you can ask someone like what time do you open your shop. Okay, they can answer very well that okay 10 बजे से 6 बजे तक. Okay, 9 बजे से from till 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 बजे तक. Next one is ka. So we have covered all these post positions. So I hope this should be easy for you to follow, even though I'm not writing the English meaning of ka and ki. Okay. So for example, you have an appointment of 3:30. 3:30's appointment. Appointment. In Hindi it would be 3:30 बजे. Okay, now apostrophe s, appointment. का appointment. 3:30 बजे का appointment. साढ़े, let's say 4 o'clock, 4:30. 3:30 बजे का exam. So anything that is masculine singular you can put it here. Ka exam, ka exam and ka appointment, etc. Okay. Similarly, ki. So you can say 3:30 बजे. So you have a train at 3 o'clock. So 3:30 बजे की train. Okay. 3:30 बजे की movie. So movie is also feminine, right? 4:30 की movie. Okay. So the next variation in this is like adding verb in the equation. Okay. Verb we have covered in previous classes as well. So one example would be jana. Jana is to go. Okay. So very simple sentence is like मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. That means I go to school. Okay. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. So this is in present indefinite form. Past would be मैं स्कूल जाता था. I used to go to school. Future is मैं स्कूल जाऊँ. I'll go to school. Okay. So now you want to add time dimension to it, right? So you can very well say it here. मैं 3 बजे स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school at 3 o'clock. Okay. मैं 4 बजे स्कूल जाता था. Okay. I used to go to school at 4 o'clock. मैं 9 बजे स्कूल जाऊँगा. I'll go to school at 9 o'clock. So next variation in this is like adding verb and different forms, okay, in the time dimension. So if I just take one example of present, we said मैं 3 बजे स्कूल जाता हूँ. That's affirmative form. Okay. Similarly, in negative, it would be मैं 3 बजे स्कूल नहीं. Right? Remember? नहीं and same thing. नहीं जाता हूँ. मैं 3 बजे स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ. Okay. Next, like for example, you're asking someone, क्या आप, क्या do you, क्या आप, and then this thing, क्या आप 3 बजे स्कूल जाते हैं? Because it's आप, that's why you have जाते हैं. क्या, do you go to school at 3 o'clock? Okay. And the next one is negative. This is plus. Negative plus interrogative. So that would be क्या आप 3 बजे, and then negative is this one, क्या आप 3 बजे स्कूल नहीं, I'm skipping it here, okay, स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं, don't you go to school at 3 o'clock? Okay, so you see, gradually we started with just time dimension, 3 बजे, 4 बजे, 5 बजे, and now we are trying to add layers of different, we are adding flavors to it. Basically, we experimented with post positions, we experimented with verb and tenses. Now within verb we are experimenting with different forms: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and combination of negative and interrogative. Okay, so I'll give you a quiz based on what we have learned so far, so hopefully that will stimulate your mind a little bit. So the last case I want to cover in this class is, like, it's a combination of various things which we didn't cover from case 1 to case 5. Okay, for example, there are situations where you want to ask questions to people about their schedules, their life, what did they do at a particular time, or what their plans are. You want to inquire about certain things. Okay, so how do you do that? Like by asking questions. Okay, so let's go by some examples. Okay, so let's say you want to, let's say one example would be in present tense. Okay, you want to know from someone like what they are doing at 5:30 today. Okay, what they are doing. Okay, so one question would be, आप 5:30 बजे क्या कर रहे हैं? Remember, if we just say आप क्या कर रहे हैं, that means what are you doing? What are you? Karna is to do, right? And this is present continuous. You're just adding this time dimension. आप 5:30 बजे क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, what are you doing at 5:30? Okay, now similarly, you are interrogating someone, you want to know like what they did at this time, so it will change from present to past. Okay, what were you doing at 5:30? Okay, आप 5:30 बजे क्या कर रहे, from है it would be क्या कर रहे थे. What were you doing at 5:30? Okay, you're asking someone, for example, you have a kid and you want to know what he or she did. आप 5:30 बजे क्या कर रहे थे और आप 3:30 बजे क्या कर रहे थे. Okay, let's say in future you want to know about someone's future plan because you want to invite them on a dinner or something like that. Okay, so you can ask them like, आप 5:30 बजे क्या कर रहे होगे future, right? आप 5:30 बजे क्या कर रहे होगे. Sometimes you can say होंगे also, HONGE. क्या कर रहे होंगे. Okay, so it's simple, right? I mean, you're asking someone about their plans at a particular time. Okay, so you, even in your question, you will add the time dimensions. Okay, thank you so much.